Research shows that our mindsets can be broadly categorized into a fixed and growth mindset. Our mindset is a set of assumptions or notions held by us, and it plays an important role in our decision-making, beliefs, and attitudes towards our life. This interactive online certification course on mindset will give you hands-on training and education about the ways your mindset can be capitalized towards your success. You'll learn practical techniques on how to react to situations and handle emotional episodes better to stop them from hampering your progress. It'll help you identify your limiting mindsets and enable progressive thinking towards being the successful person you want to be. The course will include what is a fixed and growth mindset, myths about IQ, strategies to handle challenges, learning, relationships, success, and your mindset. The course is conducted by Dr. Faryal Razak, CEO and founder at the FEEEL. She is an academic consultant, master trainer and mentor, mindfulness coach, and more.